YouTube channel. You know what's the day today? It's a day of adventure. Yay! So anyway, we are going to do a long drive. Yun yung gagawin namin today. We're not gonna go somewhere special. We're just gonna have a sightseeing drive-through, parang ganon. Anyway, kasi we were looking at the internet kung saan pwedeng magkaroon ng long drive, a scenic route para makita yung view and nature. Just to try out as well yung drone video or air track. We're gonna try the air track ng drone. Anyway, so we choose the old military road along the Wicklow Mountains. So napakaganda nung in the picture. It's really nice, but we have to see it for ourselves. So today we're going there para makita ang view ng old military road, what's in there. And it's supposed to be the Wicklow National Park, ang old military road. So I can't wait to show you guys ng place. So we will see you there in a short bit. Okay, handito tayo ngayon sa Old Military Road, which is part of Dublin and Wicklow Mountains. So I'm gonna show you there. If you can see that lake there, okay, I'm going to show you here. trail, but it's really nice. You can see later on the drone video footage of that lake, and there's another lake too beside it. So nakaganda. It's a good spot for a long drive. It's really nice. And stop off on the way. Right? Yan. Ayan, so we've just arrived from our long drive in the old military road, but along the way, unexpectedly, may nadaanan kaming lakes. Actually, 3 yon. Kaya lang yung una na nakita namin, hindi namin nakuhanan ng photos and video kasi napakalakas ng hangin at medyo umaambon siya, kaya hindi na namin nakuhanan. But these 2 lakes na magkatabi, yun ang nakuhanan namin ng aerial video. So napakaganda, ma-amaze ka talaga sa nature, sa mga makikita mo on the way. So napaka-enjoy ng long drive namin. Old military road from Rathfarnham up to actually that road will bring you to Glendalough village. Yun ang ending ng route na yon, pero hindi na namin pinuntahan yon kasi we were there last week, yes, when we went to Glendalough Upper Lake. So napakaganda, is a must see place sa Wicklow Mountain. So take the old military road at mabubusog talaga yung mga mata ninyo sa mga makikita sa mountains, mga trees, lakes and everything. So
daming nag-hike.
Maraming talagang nag-hike doon, at saka on foot ang daming nagti-trail as well. So I highly recommend this place, guys, if you wanted to do something exciting, adventure, ganyan. Take the old military road. So we'll definitely go back there, but we will take the Bray one naman para makita din yung ibang side ng Wicklow Mountain. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have, guys, a YouTube channel yourself, please comment down below the name so we can subscribe back to you. Let us help each other grow. So yun, thank you so much, and God bless. See you again on our next adventure. Bye!